Meet Level 2, your ultimate trading companion. We make finding high probability trading opportunities simple, fast, and intuitive. Let's face it, scanning markets manually 24/7 is exhausting. After hours of research and dozens of charts, by the time you find a setup, boom, the opportunity is gone. That's where Level 2 strategy scanners come in. We do all the heavy lifting, so you don't have to. Think of strategy scanners as your personal trade discovery tool. Here's how it works. First, pick your pre-built scanner. Choose from a selection of time-tested chart patterns and technical setups used by professional traders. Then, select an asset or a group of assets. Level 2 will instantly identify the best trade opportunities based on your chosen scanner. Finally, get real-time alerts. No more staring at charts all day. Carry on with your day and we notify you the moment a trade setup appears. From chart patterns to momentum breakouts, Level 2 helps you find opportunities faster, smarter, and with complete confidence. Why spend hours manually searching when Level 2 can do it automatically? Sign up to take your trading to the next level today.